Ulat ke Jylla Meghalaya UCHV Shankar hak arpo pratri ulber arja arpunrio ulale Jngoh ya ke Jan Aushadhi Kendras hak Ganesh Government Medical College Hospital. Nasenran lang yolat daw Dr. Sampat Kumar Additional Chief Secretary ke Sarkar Jylla ubapay rui ketanat kokot kakya UHC Chaudhry IFS Principal Secretary Shaulat hak jiyadon lang ki officer na ketanat ki samla puli ke Shillong Medical College bat ki nong yok mentoy na ke Pradhan Menteri Bharatiya Jan Aushadhi Paryojana PMBJP. Ulat hagajingkran ulapan pau bagi PMBJP bat Jan Aushadhi Kendras ki long ki Donkam bat penmentoy ya ki nong snong hagajing wat jing sumar habapang habashitam.
Government of India or any issue related to this Shillong Medical College, definitely the discussion is open here. Really I welcome such suggestions also. I am not going to give lengthy speech because already Mr. Sampat Kumar, he made it clear the purpose of my coming and the very intention and purpose of being started this scheme by the Union government. But this much I am going to say right now. It gives me great pleasure to be here on this Jan Aushadhi Kendra. Jan Aushadhi in the sense anybody can tell. Jan Aushadhi means what? What do you mean by Jan? What do you mean by Aushadhi? Anybody can tell. Jan means what? Any of the medical students can tell. Jan means what? What do you mean by Jan? Jan means people. Jan means people. Aushadhi means medicine. Kendra means center. In the sense, this is the center for common man, common people, downtrodden people, weaker section, economically weaker, socially weaker. For that section, this Prime Minister of this nation, he was able to start this Jan Aushadhi Kendra, keeping in the mind of a common man's interest. Common man's interest. Jan Aushadhi means, Jana means people, Aushadhi means it is a medicine. It is a Hindi word, actually derived from the Sanskrit. But in rest of the all other language, even in my home state also, we used to call it medicine, being called as Aushadhi only in Kannada also. And Jan means we also call in Kannada Jan only. It is a common word and common issue. I can make it clear here also. It gives me, because medical college in the sense that two medical students in the sense very prestigious, getting up and talking and expressing views. Only you ask the patient, that's all, what is your problem? You people never speak. You are here to listen, you are here to ask somebody, whoever comes to you. But you people never speak. Am I right? Am I right? What doctor says? Doctor never speaks. Doctor used to listen what patient says. Am I right? It gives me great pleasure to be here at this Jan Aushadhi Kendra at a time when medical expenses place heavy burden on families, especially the poor, the middle class. Jan Aushadhi Kendra ensures that no citizen is deprived of essential medicines due to financial constraints. It is encouraging to see increasing awareness among citizens about the benefits of generic medicines. The scheme also presents an opportunity for employment generation within Meghalaya by encouraging pharmacists, self-help groups and young entrepreneurs to open Jan Aushadhi Kendra, increase awareness among healthcare providers and citizens about the generic medicine will further enhance the impact of this scheme, making affordable healthcare more accessible and contributing to the overall well-being and development of the state. It urges all the stakeholders, health professionals, administrators, and the public to actively support and promote this noble initiative. We can build a healthier and more equitable society. Let us reaffirm our commitment to ensure affordable health care for all, which is a cornerstone of a strong and inclusive nation.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.